Let's talk about 5 new ways to make millions in 2024. You know, there are multiple ways to make money right now, so many ways, but I just want to break down 5 easy ways that you can make millions in 2024 and beyond. All right, the first way, high ticket coaching and consulting. High ticket coaching and consulting is a thing, especially right now. People are looking for help. And what's so awesome about it is that why I say high ticket is because if you're a professional, if you're an expert in your field, and this is for experts to be able to charge the amount of money that I'm talking about. But there are people, there are CEOs that are in transition. There are people who have ran a company for a long time and they're now starting a new venture. But there are people, and I coach these kind of people. This is like something that I do all the time. Professionals, also people in the music industry, people in entertainment. So for instance, I have my 24K club and I also have my 100K club. And my 24K club, my clients pay $24,000 a year for all access. And then I have another club called the 100K club. And these are for my elite advanced clients who pay $100,000 a year to have all out access to me. But I help them with very detailed, intricate things of their life. Now, what's so exciting about this is that my 24K club, my 100K clients, you would think people having all access to you, that could be overwhelming, but it's not. It's actually fun and exciting. When I get to talk to them, we talk by phone, by email, by text. And because they're busy professionals, busy people, productive people, they don't like to waste a lot of time. So they like to get to the point and get on with it and, do what they have to do. They're not trying to just hang on and have a conversation. They're trying to get what they want, get their answers, hear from me, and let's keep moving. And so super exciting. But anyway, that's one of the ways you can make $1 million in 2024. Another way is being a high ticket sales professional for another business. And, sometimes I like to even target this as affiliate marketing for another business as well. But if you have a business who has a high ticket item that they're selling, some kind of high ticket event or a high ticket item, you can have, like attach onto them. It's not your personal item that you're selling, but you can help contribute to their bottom line. Now, here's the thing. If you get a percentage of those sales, you can easily make over $1 million. If it's a high ticket item, then you can easily make over $1 million helping to sell another person's product. And so I know a person who helped sell a person's actual consulting system. They had like a consulting system, had a lot of intricate parts to it, but their whole sales package that they were selling was $50,000 to $150,000. Well, there was another person that sold so many of those packages that their percentage was about $1 million from helping to sell for someone else. All right. So that's super exciting. That can happen today easily and effortlessly. Hey, this is a perfect place to stop and tell you about my exciting Women in Wealth Club. This is the ultimate online community where you get personalized consulting, accountability, systems, and virtual assistants to keep you focused. We're probably more extreme about your goals than you're used to, but if you really want to get serious about your goals and achieve them in record-breaking time, then extreme is exactly what you need. So click the link below to reserve a spot. All right, back to the video. And then there is freelancing. If you're really skilled at what you do, you're a professional in your field, you're a designer, you do some kind of things with websites, or you just have some kind of skill set that is needed by lots of people, you can easily freelance your way to well over $1 million. Let's talk about Design Joy. What an innovative idea. Everybody needs marketing. Everybody needs, online graphics and that kind of thing. Well, this firm decided to just take their freelancing to a freelance firm where you pay a subscription and you can pay it every single month. And what's so awesome about this is there's not like 30, 40, 50 people. This is a single person who decided to just change the game up for themselves. Now, you can get a subscription. The subscription fees are $5,000 or $8,000 to $10,000 per month. So you only need like 15 clients, 20 max, to be able to do well over $1 million in a year. So they maintain a small amount of clients. They do all the work themselves. Of course, you'll be working, but you're doing what you love. They're working, doing designs, doing their online logos, pages, marketing pages, all kind of awesome things. But they only have to have a minimum amount of client because it's a high ticket item. So you have to be really good at what you do to charge $5,000 to $10,000 a month. You can't be playing with this. You can't be half delivering. They promise delivery within like 48 hours on most projects. 48 hours for delivery on your marketing, on your logos, on your branding, on someone setting up your headers, your headlines. Oh my goodness. Funnels. That's major. So that's super exciting. One of my favorite ways is online courses. I personally have done this myself. You can create an online course or a series of courses like myself. I have over 12 online courses. And you create it once, but you sell it multiple times. So exciting. The work is in the creation of it. But if you are an expert at something, you have a skill set that you can create a course around it that multiple people would want, then I'm telling you, you're in business to make over $1 million. And what you do is if you have the skill set of creating the course, storytelling, showing people how-tos of something, and then you have to be able to market it as well. But once you get that course done and you get it out there, then you can make over $1 million. Courses range anywhere from $100 to like $500, or you can have high ticket courses, online courses that people take. Some of my courses are, one of the last one I just did was $2,000 for an 8-week course. Then I have another one that's $3,000 for a 12-week course. So, your courses range from what it is, the topic is, what kind of information you're giving out, and who your audience is. But nonetheless, you can make well over $1 million. I have one course alone that made like $1.2 million over a year's time. So that was super exciting. Then another way that you can make millions of dollars in 2024 is through copywriting. We will never ever get rid of copywriting. It'll be around forever. If you are great with words and with marketing, a copywriter has to really be very skilled with storytelling, with being able to know what words sell. And if you are good and skilled at that, then you can be a high ticket copywriter and you can do projects for people. I mean, I've known people that got paid like $10,000 for like hour or 2 hours worth of work of copywriting. So that's easily and effortlessly, as a copywriter, you can make over $1 million in a year. These are awesome things. There's so many more things you can do in 2024, but I wanted to tell you my top 5 that I'm sure resonates with you. Try out one of these 5 ways of making millions of dollars. Do your own research, think about it, sit with your journal, write down what you can do, and then get up and get at it. But what I know for sure is that there's $1 million making machine on the inside of you. You can make $1 million in 2024. All right, so put your mind to it, decide which one of these you want to do, or maybe it's something close to this, something like this. But I'm telling you, the money is there. It can be made. You can make it in a year. So I can't wait to hear your success story of how you made $1 million in a year's time. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, you're going to love the other ones. I'm telling you, they're exciting. Also, click the link below and check out my free offer. I have something really exciting I want to get to you.